even in Coach Nenad's absence for that matter?
Yeah, well, it's Coach Nenad's system, so he's not here. He's not well. He's been teaching us a lot of things defensively, offensively. So today we knew it'd be a hard game a little bit. We wanted also AD getting in shape a little bit, and I think he found his groove today, diba? Kay AD naman, habang tumatagal, nakikita namin he's getting in shape. But I like the 24 assists. The ball was moving. I think we also did well rebounding 51 to 31. So I think those are certain keys na hinahanap din namin.
Coach, you mentioned about AD getting in shape, and that is really important for Meralco. So how will you be able to continue and sustain this for your upcoming games? More so now that there are some injury scare in Chris Newsome, Aaron Black, and the other players.
Yeah, madaming mga injuries and normally happens when we practicing hard. Si Toto Jose, nandun rin si Raymond Almazan, Nu and AB. But, next man up. We're confident in these guys. Anjo did a good job. Jolo helping CB. And I thought also CJ helped Bong in the lane. Diba? Sometimes they were the ones helping Nu dati. Now that Nu's injured, kailangan nila ng tulong. So I think we did well today where it didn't matter who scored, the ball was moving around.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Bong, could you tell us about that sequence earlier? Sabi sa akin ni Coach Bench, nagkaroon ka ng left concussion. But could you talk us through that sequence and how did you react upon it? Because after that, parang walang nangyari sa'yo eh.
Una, pasalamat muna ako kay Lord sa panalo sa amin. So, yung nangyari kanina kasi mag-help sana ako kay CB kasi na blow by siya. So, pag-atras ko, may napakan akong tubig. So, nadulas, parang sumadsad yung tuhod ko sa floor. So, thank God naman na hindi siya seryoso.
Bong, it's a bounce back game, not just for you, pero syempre pati sa import nyo na si Allen Durham. And you mentioned yung mga, Coach Luigi even mentioned other players, rookies stepping up. Gaano kalaking factor, gaano ka nakatulong sa'yo na may other players na nakapag-assist, na nakatulong sa mga offensive load ng Meralco?
Gaya ng sabi namin kahit last conference, talagang nire-ready kami ni Coach Nenad, ni Coach Luigi sa mga ganitong sitwasyon kasi yun nga, pag may na-injury sa amin, syempre, kung lahat kami ready maglaro, pagdating sa game, makakapag-execute. Kahit sino sa amin, pwedeng umiscore, pwedeng dumipensa. So yun yung maganda sa team namin, pinagtatrabahuan namin lahat sa practice. Kaya pagdating sa game yun, na-execute namin lahat.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations. But for the record lang, pag wala si Coach Nenad, ano yung status nila yung mga injured players?
Parang may bug ngayon na umiikot eh. Last week ako rin nag-absent ako one day and then si Coach Nenad masama yung niya. So he was vomiting up and down siya kahapon. He's better naman now. So hopefully he'll get better. No? But talagang hindi siya pwede today. And then si Nu yung tapilok niya, we just thought to ourselves na baka better wag muna gamitin dahil next week sunod-sunod yung laro, may out of town kami. It's just a smart thing to do na not to force him, diba? Kung finals yan or semis and it's a knockout game, he'll play. But at this point in time, as a staff, pinag-usapan namin, I spoke to Nu, better na hindi. Raymond should be back soon. He had muscle spasms. Elaine had a groin. Medyo may mga maedad na, diba? So, hard kami sa practice. Coach Nenad's also, he instills that kailangan next man up lang. So, we have guys. Si CJ, I'm happy CJ's helping out. I remember Bong when he was younger, he was the guy coming in. Ngayon naman siya yung bata. So, they were moving the ball. Bong got his threes. Ngayon naman si CJ sa huli.
But Aaron, does he injury sa last season?
Forgot about Aaron. May meniscus siya. We had him check sa doctor, MRI, and he has to have a surgery. So, he'll be out 1 month. So that's a big blow sa amin. We don't have si Aaron, si Nu for a while, but hopefully next week he'll be back. Toto and Raymond should be back next week. So, sanay naman. But, happy of the other guys. Si Kyle, binibigyan ng opportunity. Si Brandon at si Norbert.
Coach, just want you to expand yung sa impact ni CJ kasi parang may small comparison daw with Bong eh. Ano pa ba yung nakikita mo comparison sa dalawa ni CJ?
Well, CJ still has a lot to prove. He's very talented. I think he's very popular dahil Madam is very humble. Like Bong also, they're both the same. They're easy to coach. They're very motivated. I think with CJ, it's just his quality of shots. Sometimes because he's always in attack mode, you have to know when a good shot from a bad shot is. Madami pa siyang kakainin. I think he has to develop his defense, but he has good guys around him. So sa amin, we're happy. Naswerte kami, bumaba siya sa draft ng 11. I mean, when you reach this, it's a blessing to have a deeper bench so that when you get into a series, may katulong mga to. But we're very pleased with him. He's a very humble guy. Listens, tawag niya dito mga kuyan. I think he's gonna grow. He's gonna grow with these guys around him.
And for you, Bong, almost the same question. Si CJ shoot proficiently dun sa 3-point area. Anong thoughts mo naman? Kumbaga, mas dumami pa kayo ng shooters dun sa Meralco.
Yun, nakakatuwa nga na ngayon, it's time naman sa akin na i-share lahat ng natutunan ko sa mga vet namin, especially kay Kuya Nu, kala Kuya Alain, Kuya Cliff, CB, Raymond, sa lahat ng vet na nag-inspire din sa akin na mag-improve. So, ang maganda kay CJ, talagang open-minded siya talaga na nakikinig siya sa lahat ng advice namin sa kanya para pagdating sa game, medyo relax lang kasi yung first 2 games niya talagang sobrang aggressive di ba? So, dito, mas matututunan niya yung pagiging kalmado lang, antayin niyang dumating sa kanya yung laro, share the ball, rebound, yung mga pwede mong itulong sa team outside sa scoring, syempre especially yung defense. So, yun yung maganda sa kay CJ, talagang gusto niyang tumulong sa team and gusto niya rin siguro, syempre, lahat naman kami gusto namin mag-champion. So, start sa practice para ma-execute namin sa game.
Just to add, si Attorney Bill, si Boss Bill, ang governor namin, UP yun Mama Lou, Ma'am Betty, mga UP yun We have a lot of mga letra naman. Siya naman, I'm sure they're happy kasi mga alumni rin yun So may tiga UP ngayon kami sa team.